Francisco Pradilla Ortiz was born July 24, 1848 in Villanueva de Gállego, died November 1, 1921. He was a prolific Spanish painter famous for creating historical scenes. He began his studies in Zaragoza. He then transferred to the Real Academia de Bellas Artes de San Fernando and, later, the Academy of Watercolorists in Madrid. His total output is well over 1,000 paintings showing his interest in a variety of subjects and styles, often without regard of the current fashion. He is primarily recognized for his historical paintings. The last one completed in 1910 carries one of the longer titles of a major painting, Retinue of the Baptism of Don Juan, son of the Catholic Monarchs, along the streets of Seville.